Hello, I am Vikran. PT Education, an institute involved in training students for MBA, MCA, MMS and other entrance exams, runs 6 batches A, B, C, D, E and F, each of which is scheduled for at least once a week. Sunday is a holiday. The B batch meets all days except Friday and Saturday. The C batch meets 4 days in succession. The F batch meets only from Monday to Thursday. The E batch is scheduled every day but not on Thursday and Saturday. On alternate days, the batch A is scheduled. The A and D batches never meet on the same days. The C batch does not meet on Mondays and Tuesdays. The D batch is scheduled only once a week on either Wednesday or Friday. Which batches meet for same number of classes during the week? Solution is, we'll try and draw a table considering the basic parameters as the batches, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, and the number of days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now, if we try and draw a table considering all these parameters, we'll see that how the entire thing goes and which are the batches which runs on the same number of days. So here we can try and draw a figure for the same. So the question is saying that batch B meets all days except Friday and Saturday. Batch B meet all the days except Friday and Saturday. Batch B meets all the days. Then you have F meets only from Monday to Thursday. F meets only from Monday to Thursday. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And it is not meeting on Friday and Saturday. And C batches meets succession in 4 days. C meets successively 4 days. And here the question says that B does not meet on Monday and Tuesday. So definitely B has to meet on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Similarly, if I talk of A and B, A and D never meet on the same days. A and D never meet on the same days. That is, A will be meeting on Tuesday and Thursdays and Saturdays, and on Friday, Wednesday and Monday they will not be meeting. And similarly for D, that is, D batch is scheduled only once a week on either Wednesday or Friday. Now, whenever we say that D is scheduled either on Wednesday and Friday, it means rest of the day they are not meeting. That is on Thursdays, Saturdays, Mondays and Tuesdays. E, if we talk of E batch is scheduled every day but not on Thursday and Saturday. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. So we can say that the question is talking about which batch meets same number of classes during the week. So the answer turns out to be 4. That is none of these. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikran. The question is, if a certain classes of D is scheduled on the same days as that of B, then how many batches meet on Friday? Again, as per the given data in the question, we'll try and draw a table considering all the batches and respective number of days. So, we have the batches A, B, C, D, E and F. Then we have the number of days as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now, we'll try and draw a table understanding all the number of days and the batches which run on the respective days. So, as per the given data, the question is saying that B batch meets all days except Friday and Saturday. B meets all the days except Friday and Saturday. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Now, secondly, C meets 4 days in succession and C does not meet on Mondays and Tuesdays. So, definitely it has to meet on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And then A and D batch never meets on the same day. And E batch is scheduled every day but not on Thursday and Saturday. E batch is scheduled not on Thursday and Saturday, and it is scheduled all the days except that. Similarly for the D batch is scheduled only once a week on either Wednesday or Friday. On either Wednesday or Friday. And A and D never meets on the same day. So we can say that A will be scheduled on either Tuesdays or Thursdays or Saturdays. So we have the respective column. Now F, talking about the batch F meets only from Monday to Thursday. A, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So this is the respective column. Now the question is talking about how many batches meet on Friday. How many batches meet on Friday? So we can say that if we look at the column, we have 2 batches, that is C and E, who are meeting on Friday. So the answer therefore comes to be second. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikran. The question is, if there is one such day that all the batches are to meet, then which batch would gain additional day? The solution is, we'll have to try and draw a table considering all the batches and respective number of days. Then we have A, B, C, D, E and F, which are as batches, and then you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday as respective number of days. Now we'll try and draw a table considering all these parameters, so it will be more easier for us to understand that which are the batches and how many are the number of days which are running these batches. So it will be, the table will be like, the B batches meets all days except Friday and Saturday. So B batch will be running on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. C batch meets 4 days in succession and C batch is not meeting on Mondays and Tuesdays. So it will be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. The D batch is scheduled only once in a week on either Wednesday or Friday. So D batch is scheduled on either Wednesday or Friday. And A and D is not running on same number of days. So A will be running on Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays, because A and D are not running on the same day. So we can say that, taking into point C, C batch does not meet on Mondays and Tuesdays. So we have tried and draw a table for the same. E batch is scheduled every day but not on Thursdays and Saturdays. So E will be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. It will be not on Thursdays and Saturdays. And F is scheduled only from Monday to Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It is not on Friday and Saturday. So the question is talking about which batch would gain an additional day. Definitely if all the batches are to meet, then A will gain an additional day, because at that day A will present. So the answer will definitely be the A batch, which will present on the number of that day. So the answer will come on to be 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, which two batches can never be conducted on the same day? The solution is, there are batches which have to be considered while making the agenda. We can say that the table itself gives the clear indication that A and D batches never meet on the same day. So we can directly check out from the option that the answer will definitely come on to be 3rd. That is, A and D can never be conducted on the same day. Thank you.